love this. Trust me.
Trying to push you away from your dream and push you away from your fucking goal. Use that feeling that you feel, use that fucking emotion, and you go at that shit harder than you ever would if you were never told that shit. Go at that shit as hard as you possibly fucking can. You need to prove to everybody that they're fucking wrong.